Alright guys, welcome to Cell to Singularity. It's one of those incremental clickers. We'll slowly explain it as we get into the game. Right now, looks like we're getting an arrow telling us to tap. We're going to keep tapping, we're going to earn entropy. Use entropy to buy evolution upgrades. That's going to come over here. So home star, going to be probably the sun. We're going to evolve to the earth. And we'll get primordial soup and the moon. And this will let us slowly evolve up to mankind and other evolutions. It gets quite crazy. Alright, the primordial soup, and that's gonna, hasn't increased our taps yet. Amino acid, that'll increase our idle. Amino acids are the building blocks of life. And there's our first amino acid. Alright. Every life you buy earns more background entropy production. So it's also idle. So when you're not playing, you will earn. You will be earning entropy. So we're gonna get another amino acid. That's increasing our idle. So right now, not doing anything. We're getting 10 cents, essentially 0.10 per second. And here we go. So nucleotides. Okay, back. So nucleotides, that will get us. Nucleotides are the chemical compounds that build the foundation for DNA and RNA. That'll increase us to 2 entropy per tap. And we can get another amino acid, a couple more actually. Alright, you go down. And the little gold things there are bonuses. Alright, let's come back here. Let's get another amino acid. Once you get 100 of the amino acids, once you get 100 of any of the major evolutions, that'll unlock another tree coming off of it. So we're going to keep tapping here. Tap, 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 tap. Alright. We're going to save up to get DNA. Nice. Alright. DNA, life created. Alright, then I think, let's see. Efficient. Anything. Oh, we're going to save up 240 so we can get the moon. The gravitational forces exerted by the moon and the sun and the rotation of the earth turn the tides of the ancient oceans to advanced life. And getting the moon will also give us an additional 4 per tap. Alright, so we're going to hold off on the amino acids or the DNA. There we go. The moon was born when a Mars-sized object hit the young Earth, supposedly. Alright, let's go ahead and get another DNA. And then I think we'll get protein. And we'll do RNA next. Messengers of the genetic code. RNA is responsible for transferring genetic code from the nucleus to the ribosomes to make proteins. We got the. All right. All right, come on. Alright, and RNA. So these, where it says 100% more efficient, that increases your idle income. All right, we're gonna get the pyrokertic cell. And there he is. First little creature, I think. And we got an achievement. Yay! Alright, there's another little bonus there. Okay, go away. Thank you. Alright. Let's see. Oh, none of these are going to increase our caps. So, let's see. Which one will be 100% and 100%? Let's just do that one. We'll just kind of work our way around. Plasma membrane. The plasma membrane protects the interior of cells from the environment. And the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria are an organelle that converts glucose to energy. And is only passed from the mother. Didn't say that on there, but watch any almost any crime show, reality-based crime show like Forensics Files or stuff like that, and it comes up. All right, we're gonna get the virus here in just a second, and boom. All right. And next, I think we're going to do the bacterium. That nice. All right. Come on, here we go. Let's do a couple of those, one of those. All right. And oh man, he's expensive. Anything? Oh, volcanoes. Oh, ozone layer. That's right. I almost forgot about that. It's kind of important, isn't it? All right. Let's not do that. I don't want to get any more of those guys at the moment. There's the Earth. You see, its land masses are very different than what they look like today. Let's skip. All right. There we go. Let's head back here, and we can get that guy. That is the Eurotic cell. Eurotic cell. All right. Let's see. Unlocks the okay. And I think I've got everything down here except for the ozone layer, which will be a little while. Alright, tissue, cytoplasm. Oh, mitosis first. Oh, yeah, I'm glad I did that one. That really helps. Alright. Mitosis, the process of asexual reproduction by which one cell divides into two identical cells. It occurs only in eukaryotic cells and helps single-celled organisms multiply. All right. And then we're going to do tissue, cytoplasm, and filter feeding. And tissue. And actually, there was. We go. We're coming up and being able to unlock cytoplasm. And boom. Daily mutations. Daily rewards. Oops. I did collect it. Okay. All right. Fine, trigger it. Alright. And we can get. Yep, we're going to do filter feeding. And then we're going to do sponges. First creature. The world's first multicellular organism. These stationary filter feeders are a product of multiple eukaryotic cells coming together. Alright, we're going to go get that here in just a minute. And that'll be nice because that's going to increase. Oh, wait a minute. Is that going to increase? I think it's just going to increase our idle, not our actual tap. Alright, and one becomes many. The first multicellular organism emerges. And there's our sponge. SpongeBob. Doesn't quite look like SpongeBob, does it? Alright. Yeah, that just increased our idle. Alright, well, there we go. So, 19,000. Alright, and we are now approaching 19,600. There we go. Now we're doing 65 entropy per tap. And sexual reproduction, entropy gains plus 1% of your idle entropy per second. Alright, let's see. It's 45, so it looks like jellyfish will be next. Alright, we have 40,000 enough for jellyfish. Basic organisms leave the ocean floor and the seas begin to teem with new life. Where'd he go? Fish, there you are. Alright. All right, now we're approaching sexual reproduction. There we go. Now I think this is going to give us more per tap, I think, or it's going to add an additional 1% of our idle to our idle. So right now we're getting 250 per second and we're getting 65 per tap. So it did add to our per tap amount. All right. Guys, this is Cell to Singularity. The beginning of the game is kind of slow. It does pick up as you get better evolutions and better creatures. It does get a little bit better. But anyways, like I said, this is Cell to Singularity. Thank you for your attention. Really appreciate it. And you know what to do if you like the video. And we will see you next time.